reset the generator hour meter on your in-command control system? Well, here's how you do it. Start by going to Settings. On the last page, select Administration. Enter the passcode 4369. Next, choose Generator Hour Meter. Enter the desired hours, making sure to include a decimal point. For example, for 15 hours, type 15.0. Then tap Save. Then save changes. To verify the update, go back to the home page, select Generator, and check the hours display. It should now be set to 15. That's it. Your generator hour meter is now updated.